Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. Today is another quick and easy dinner. We're gonna be making tuna pasta or tuna macaroni in that category, but it's something that we make a lot, something that pretty much we all eat. You can get it out the fridge, eat it cold, it's convenient. Can't go wrong with this one. Okay, and I just wanted to show y'all, they're both the same thing. Both bowls. I have a bowl of onions here. Leon likes onions in his and I don't, so we have it separated. And this is gonna give us leftovers for 2-3 days, so this could also be part of somebody's meal plan. So I hope y'all like this recipe. It was one of our, the second one of our go-tos that's so quick and easy and just convenient. Hopefully we have more on the series in the next couple days. I'm going to see what I have planned to make, but I'm not sure. Maybe some spaghetti. But another workout's going to be coming soon, you guys. Hope you enjoyed this cook with me today. If you like what you've seen, you like my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like and comment on this video. And hopefully I see you next time on Stop.
I like what I seen. Yeah,
And hopefully you come back and shape up with Sammy.